Let's go.
Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back on my channel with another YouTube video. This week, or this time, it's going to be really fun. I have something really fun planned. Something that I have yet to do on this channel. It's something new and exciting. I'm so excited. I have a little special guest, but I'm not going to tell you who it is or what I'm going to be doing because it's a surprise, but we're going to get into the video and I'm so excited. So excited and can't wait. Okay guys, so right now you see everything I have for this first little treat we're going to be doing. Oh, I'm dropping something into this little stirring pot. Oh, and I'm mixing it in. I'm going to mix it in really good. You want to mix it in? So, oh, we're skipping ahead a little bit. We're going to take these pretzels and just cover it in this something. I can't tell you what it is. It's a secret, top secret. But we're dipping it in there. Now we're going to take it out and carry it gently over to, oh, we already have one done. That's a little sneak peek, but lay it on the wax paper. Oh, you put a little, oh, we're going fast now. I didn't get it finished, but that's okay. You get the idea. These are so cute, so easy to make. Just okay, this is the finished product. You can comment down below and tell me what you think. They're so good. They turn out so good. Okay guys, this next recipe I found online. We're mixing in a whole bunch of different chocolates because it's hot chocolate sugar. This is cinnamon for a little touch. Vanilla. We have a heavy cream. Just all these different recipes to make it very creamy and rich. Yeah, we're still just pouring in heavy cream. It takes a lot of heavy cream and we're stirring it up, making sure we mix in all the powder. Oh, we're going to put it on low and let it cook for 2 hours. Okay, I'm just going to add in some marshmallows to make it really gooey on the top, make it better, just to make it better. Okay, we're going to put the top back on. Now, the marshmallows are all gooey, so that just adds a little flavor to the already flavorful hot chocolate. We're pouring it, oh, now I'm sharing it with my friends. Okay guys, this recipe I was super excited about. I've been talking about it all day. We're gonna just mix in all these different ingredients and then mix until it's whipped. And then a little dash of almond oil. Okay, we're just going to keep mixing it up and shaking them off. Okay, and we're just scooping up a little dollop or 3 and putting it in the hot chocolate and sprinkling some cocoa on it just for decor. Okay guys, the next thing we're making are these little caramel apple sticks. I'm putting in all these little cupcake liners and these are just the decoration toppings we're going to put on them. These are sprinkles. We have nuts. I'm just going to put these in these little cupcake liners just for fun. Okay, we're taking these mini marshmallows. We're going to put some of those in there for more toppings. Now we're taking chocolate chips, the mini ones, and then we're also going to add some big ones just for variety. These are graham cracker crumbs I'm pouring in there. Butterscotch chips. Now these are all of them together. It looks really cute in the pan. Just a whole bunch of different toppings you can add to make them more fun and colorful. Okay, we're cutting the apples now. It's a little bit hard, but we got it. Oh, we had to skew them, which was difficult. Okay, now we're just decorating them, I guess you could say, but we're just adding the toppings on them. Just give them a little bit more flavor because I kind of ruined the caramel and it was just a big mess. All my fault. Like, I ruined the whole thing for everybody. So, yeah, they look rough. They don't look good. Okay guys, so the next thing we're making are these just basic pumpkin face cookies. Definitely just what every basic girl makes during Halloween. Just something fun and easy. We're just going to spread them across the pan. And yeah, they look good. Real good. They're so cute. Okay, we're just going to put them in the oven to bake. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, nope, they're done. It was definitely better than those caramel apples. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. And we had so much fun making this, and I hope you guys liked it because it was so much fun to make. And if you liked any of these treats, then comment down below which ones you liked and if you're going to try to make them. And they're kind of easy, and hopefully they turn out better than some of ours did. So bye guys!